From small dreams to a big bright sky, people travel far, they try and try. Across the ocean, a land so free, a place of hope called the USA. In the city lights of New York City shining bright, dreamers walking day and night, standing tall in the harbor sea, a symbol of hope, statue of liberty. From busy streets to open land, opportunities close at hand. Different cultures side by side, a nation strong with global pride. From the beaches of California to mountains high, innovation reaching the sky. Tech dreams grow in Silicon Valley every day, changing how the world will play. University, science, space, human dreams they always chase. Freedom, hope, and liberty, a land of endless possibility. Music, movies, stories told, Hollywood lights shining gold, the spirit of United States everywhere, in culture, dreams, and things we share. From sports to art, from farms to towns, from golden fields to busy downtowns. Every person with a dream, building life and chasing a theme. People come from every land with hope and courage in their hand, working hard and standing tall, chasing dreams that call them all. From space missions reaching far to shining cities full of stars, the journey long, the future wide, dreams and freedom side by side. So if you dream, just hold it tight, follow hope into the light. Across the world the voices say, dreams can grow in the USA. A land of stories yet to be, a future bright for all to see. From every heart, from every way, hope still shines in the USA.